Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy SafeMoon or Bonfire or any other token which is not listed on the major exchanges. First thing which you need to do is you need to buy BNB in Binance. Here you can see that I have already bought BNB in my Binance wallet. If you don't know how to buy BNB, I made a separate video. I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. And after buying BNB, what you need to do is you need to transfer this BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. So let's open Trust Wallet. Here is the Trust Wallet. And you need to select Smart Chain. If you don't find Smart Chain, what you need to do is at the top right you can see this gear. Click on that and you need to enable Smart Chain BNB. After enabling the Smart Chain BNB, it will be shown on the dashboard of Trust Wallet. You need to click on Smart Chain and you need to click on Receive and you need to copy this address. After copying the address, you need to open the Binance app and you need to click on Wallets. Under Wallets, here you can see that I have BNB balance. Click on that and you need to click on Withdraw. Once you click on Withdraw, it will show you this form. You need to add the address. Just paste it. Once you paste the address, it will automatically select the network and you need to enter the amount. I am going to select max and simply click on withdraw. Click on confirm. And after that, you need to enter the OTP from your mobile and from your email ID. You need to click on send code for both email and mobile and you need to enter that. After entering the code, you need to click on submit. Here you can see the message withdrawal request submitted. Now open the Trust Wallet. Click on done. Now go back. Within a few seconds or a minute, the balance will be updated. Let's refresh. Here you can see that the Smart Chain is updated. Now here you can see the balance. It is approximately $72. Now after getting the balance, what you need to do is you need to click on browser. If you don't have a DApp browser on your iPhone, I made a separate video on how to enable it. Please check in the description box. On the Android phone, DApp browser will be present by default. Click on browser and you need to click on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap.finance website will be open. At the top, you can see there is a button called connect. You need to click on that. You need to connect to your wallet. Here you can see that MetaMask Trust Wallet. I'm going to select Trust Wallet. Here you can see that once I click on Trust Wallet, the balance gets updated. Here you can see that BNB is selected by default. Below that, you can see that there is an option called as select a currency. Click on that and you can select any token which is not listed on any exchanges. You can buy SafeMoon. Here you can see that I have already invested in SafeMoon. So I'm going to buy another token called as Bonfire. If the token is not showing up, what you need to do is you need to open CoinMarketCap app or a website and search the app. I said Bonfire. Here is Bonfire. Here you can see that Binance Smart Chain address. Copy that address, copied. Now come to PancakeSwap. You need to paste this address. Here you can see that Bonfire is showing up. Click on that. Beside exchange, you can see this gear icon. Click on that and you need to enter the slippage tolerance to 12% and close this window. And now you need to select the BNB balance. I'm going to select max. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap. Click on send. Here you can see the message transaction submitted. Click on close. Now you need to open the Trust Wallet. Now click on wallet. Now refresh. Here you can see that the Smart Chain balance has been updated. Now it is reduced to approximately $4.6. Even after buying the token will not show up under the Trust Wallet. What you need to do is at the top right you can see this gear icon. Click on that and you need to search for the token. Since we bought Bonfire, I am going to enter that. If you have bought a SafeMoon or any other token, you need to enter that and you need to enable this option and click on done. Now refresh. Here you can see the Bonfire token. So that's it guys. In this way you can buy crypto tokens which are not listed on the exchanges using Trust Wallet. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.